Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is actually the next day after the last video. I need to get this car done. We are exactly where we left off. Plan for today is get everything done underneath. Every other time I have to work, I don't have to jack the car up anymore, so I don't have to lift up the car again. That is for today. Gonna start with painting the alternator and we'll continue from there. So here we go. Found a bit of a fault design on this 4G91. This is where the exhaust sits, and this is the bracket that holds the power steering pump. Now here, look how much space there is. If I want to install the inlet manifold, the exhaust manifold, I have to remove this bracket. But that's just annoying because I actually wanted to start making a turbo manifold. I guess that's just gonna have to do another video. Might as well just complete the whole engine here. I'm gonna take the bracket off. I'm gonna install the exhaust manifold straight away. Continue on from there. So turbo manifold video, another day. Got to get new gaskets for the exhaust. Yeah, this will definitely cause a massive exhaust leak. What I got now, so I'm just gonna install it and deal with it later. But the gear selectors, see this one, the centerpiece is missing, and reason being is because it's still stuck on the lever. So if I want to push these new bushings in, I need to make sure I get this metal piece out, but it's really stuck on there, so I think I might have to cut it out. Probably do that now, put the new bushings in, and then connect this. Here we go. So this is something you never want to happen to you. I don't know how that happened, but I'm gonna have to try and find another one of these now. Damn it. I think I've hit a dead end right now because I started at 10 o'clock and it's only 3 o'clock now. If I was able to continue working the whole day, I'd be able to finish this engine. But unfortunately, I had a couple of issues. Top radiator hose pipe, it cracked in half. I'm not gonna be able to install that. Throttle body, the reason I haven't installed that yet is because these ports. Drill them out, tap this, thread it, and then put new ones on. Because of that though, I cannot install the air filter. Also, I haven't finished my fuel injectors because I don't have the spaces. I'm getting them made right now. Camshaft caps, I haven't tightened them to torque specs yet, so that's why this is all still loose. I haven't put the belt on because I haven't put the exhaust on. I can't put the exhaust on if that bracket is installed until I put the exhaust. And the reason I haven't put the exhaust yet actually is because remember these? I couldn't remove them, so I just cut them just to get the job done quickly. But I haven't had the chance to drill them out. That's why I haven't put the belts on, because I haven't put the power steering pump on. It's still just sitting there loosely, you see. I haven't bled the clutch because I don't have the money yet to buy another one. I need to buy exhaust gaskets. I'll probably get a whole new exhaust made up. Talk to my friend at 2R Garage. Remember, if you need good exhaust work done, talk to him. You can find him on Google, everything. 2R Garage. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, oh yeah, I don't have the oil for the engine, for the gearbox, and I don't have a new filter yet. Yeah, that's a quick update on everything. Unfortunately, I can't do any more than that. So that's gonna be it for today. It's not the end of this video because I want to have this completed by the end of this video. Hopefully get it started. I'll see you guys in the next video. But before I close off this video, actually, I want to show you the difference, how it looks underneath. Remember on the first video, it was all really dirty, but now look at the difference. The brand new drive shafts. The sump is painted. Got some scratches on it already, but once I get it all in, I'm gonna paint it again. Cross member is painted. Gearbox is painted. Everything underneath looks really clean. Wish I had some light I can show you better, but yeah. So yeah, all little bits and pieces which I'll get done. I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright, as you can see, the engine is all in, everything except for the camshaft caps, still not torqued down. That's why I haven't bolted down the valve cover. The belts are not installed because somehow I've lost the belt for the alternators, and you can't install the alternator belt if the other belt is installed first. Battery tray in, painted. I just finished washing the radiator, so I'll be installing that tomorrow. Gearbox is full of oil. This piece I'll be picking up tomorrow. My guy at 2R Garage welded it up for me perfectly, so yeah, that's all good to go. And then it'll be our first start. So it's already 10 o'clock at night on a Wednesday night, so close up the shop, get packing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I got the piece back. My boy at 2R already welded it. We're going to make a paper gasket and then install it in. Hopefully it doesn't leak, huh? Alright, so everything's pretty much installed. The only things I haven't installed is the radiator fan, the aircon condenser fan, and reason being is because I want to give them a coat of paint. No battery yet. Yeah, that's all I can think of. Oh yeah, I still haven't done the camshaft caps. If I had that, I would have started the car by now. Unfortunately, I don't have that. The hoses are all connected. Elbow pipe is already repaired by my friend. Yeah, we're pretty much good to go. I'm hoping by tomorrow I can start the car. We'll find out. If I can get a small torque wrench, next day. Alright, we are ready to start her. All the caps are now torqued down, the valve cover is torqued down as well. I put oil in the engine, everything's ready. We don't have coolant yet. I'm not going to run coolant on it straight away because the copper spray that I put on the head gasket, coolant eats that. So I needed to run through a couple of heat cycles, let that settle in before I can put some coolant in. But it doesn't stop us from giving it the first start. Right? First I'm going to crank it because I need to supply oil to all the oil galleries first since I had it dry. So I'm going to disconnect the coils, crank it for a few seconds, get the oil pressure built up, and then I'll plug the coil back in and then we'll try and start it if it has fuel. I don't know if it has fuel. Oh, we got some there. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll see if it'll start. So yeah, warning and be aware, it's going to blow a lot of smoke. The reason being is because I put some oil down the cylinder boards because I didn't want it to be dry. You know, metal on metal grinding. So yeah, let's put the battery and get it started. So here we go. The battery is connected. Now I'm just going to unplug the coil packs. Now I guarantee it won't run. Let's crank her over and see what happens, huh? Okay, so this car does not have an oil pressure gauge, but it does have an oil pressure light. So when the pressure has built up, the light will turn off. It turned off already. We're gonna start her up now. So here we go. Yeah, it sounds good, bud. Here we go. Gonna blow a lot of smoke. Spin away! Look at all the smoke. Bound to happen, I knew it. She's idling a bit high, but that's okay. Now, she's also very ticky at the moment because remember I pulled out the lifters and what's it called? And cleaned them out completely. So the oil pressure needs to build up back up on them. Once that happens, it should be good. Accelerated, that's okay. You're going to feel smart. And then of course, like I said, because I put some oil down the walls and then it's not completely dry. It's creeping a bit because the lifters are over and dry as well. But it's good. It's not healthy. Going to be a sweat bug. All right, we're gonna put some coolant in it and let it run for a bit longer and then see if there's any leaks. Actually, is there any leaks? Yeah. Ah, no leaks, woo! All right, let's get the coolant in. I want to show you guys the difference of how the paint job looks compared to something that's not painted. This is the aircon fan. I haven't painted it. Same with the radiator fan. And the reason being is because I'm too excited. I can't wait. I should wait until I paint it and then install it because I'm gonna have to remove it again. But you know how it goes. Anyway, all right, we're gonna fill out the radiator now and start her up, get it to operating temperature, and see how it goes. The water is full. Let's try and start her again and see if it'll work. Let it idle. Should be alright. Okay. Let it reach operating temperature, and if the fan comes on, then we are all good. Ah, yes! And she's on. Alright. That means we are good. Alright, I can turn her off now. There's a few things I need to fix, like that coolant leak at the throttle body. And yeah, then I'll do the bleeding the clutch, and then I can drive the car around. Simple. Oh, let's test the aircon. Guys, that'll be all for this video. As you can see, the car is running. Little few things I need to repair, but these are things I've already done and shown, so I'm not gonna show it again. So I'll get them done, and then the next video we'll take it for a drive. Yeah. So remember to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think, and if you're excited for this build, let me know as well. You know, or am I the only one that's excited? Anyway, peace, guys. Take care.